Haya, funga. Ya bro. Just close it. Haya, finya. Finya bado ya bro. Haya, finya tena. Haya, finya tena. Finya tena. Wakati when you are placing that button twice, you can make it to open or make it partially open or stop it. Once you stop it, it goes to the other direction. So place the pedestrian one. Yeah. When you place that button, that one is an automatic. It opens at 45 degrees, not even 45, that is 25 degrees, and after a few minutes it closes. Okay, now place the other button. Yeah, which color is that one? Green. Yeah. That open also both gates. Close it. Press it. Press the blue one.